What's good, Mogulz Fam? And it's your boy. I am back with another banger. Sengibuyile, I'm back with the banger. Into engizoyenza namhlanje, I'll be actually showing you guys ukuthi ukwazi kanjani ukwenza i-trend line. You know what I'm saying? Usebenzisa ama-resistance nama-supports akho. So let's actually go to trading view right now. Let me just do that because just for you to know what's each and every device, it's doable guys, like it's doable. So let me just open kancane my lighting because I don't know why it wanted to be dark right there. Okay, that's good. Okay, cool. So right now ngisebenzisa i-GBP USD. Ngiyazi-ke ukuthi most of us siyazi i-GBP USD. So GBP USD, it's like it's pound versus USD, which is the American dollar. So the first thing that you have to do ukuthi ufake horizontal lines akho, yabo, because horizontal lines akho are the ones that actually, yabo, gives you at least an understanding ukuthi okay la kwenzakalani, yabo. So first horizontal line, yeah, okay, then we have to do another one right over here. And remember ukuthi ke i-time frame yakho, firstly qala uyenze u-day time frame. Day time frame, it's very important because ikunikeza an overview ukuthi okay, what can you expect, you know. Ungavele nje uzoshama lo ama-time frame amancane, uyaybo lona, because azokulimaza in a long run, because uzoyitshela okay, this is a buy, kanti no, it's not. On a bigger time frame, it's a sell. So let's just finish doing that right now. I'm a horizontal line, A2, okay, let's just do that. And it's very good futhi nakhona ukuyenza nange-PC, it's very nice, ngiyayi-enjoya ke nge-PC. So nenzele nje ama-horizontal lines, it's okay. I think that's about it right now, because vele it's not like, that's about it right now, exactly. Yabo nje, there was an event there. This was actually an event. This one, that one was an event. Straight up sell. Nje, like, yo, can you imagine how much money was that? So nje, guys, this is amazing. Forex nje ngiyayithanda. It's amazing. You have to love something very bad ukuthi uzwe uyinikeza isikhathi kanje. Okay, then ke mase siqedile ukwenza ama-horizontal line, we coming back to ama-trend lines. Okay, ama-trend lines ngijwayele ukuthi ngikwenze abe like colorful, because me colorful, it's pretty much easier ukuthi wa-identify, yabo. So let me just make mine red, and yeah, make sure ukuthi nje you make it like 4 times the size so that ungeke uzuconfuseke, yabo. 4 times the size so that you will know ukuthi I know, okay, what you're doing, yabo. This is that. Okay, my horizontal line, yeah. So it's even doable on the phone, guys. You don't have to ukuthi uhlezi une-PC njalo amafoni ukwenza into njalo, no. You can even do it over the phone. So basically lana niyabona ukuthi okay, let's just make this 3 singenze 4 because it's too bold. Yeah, I think it's 3, it's fine. Yeah, it's too bold. Yabo, so sikwazile ukwenza njalo, yabo, sikwazile ukwenza lokho. Okay, then we can see ukuthi lana imakethe ihamba. Let me just show you. Yahamba yasuka la kuleli point yanyuka, then kule resistance le resistance, then it actually resisted and then it went down and then it broke, this support. So we know ukuthi okay, manje we understand what is actually happening. And same thing applies nala, njengoba umbona ukuthi okay, from this breakout, then it went here to this horizontal line, then obviously it went a bit down, then it went up. So we understand it's okay, right now what can happen is that it can go like this and then go up. You know what I'm saying? So either way, futhi nakhona, it actually can, go like down, down here and break this resistance, this supports, and maybe go to this direction. Yabo. So it depends on ukuthi our analysis ame kanjani, and it depends on what the market is intending to go. But right now we can see good, this is actually like sort of trying to get a downtrend kanje, yabo. Okay, then we have to go to a smaller time frame. Then we have to go for 4 hours right now, so that we can see clearly ukuthi kahle kahle where is this leading us, yabo. Okay, then it happened ukuthi ke masifika la again, we have to do another trend line, yabo. We have to do another trend line starting from here, yabo. Mangiqala la kuza la, yabo. That's a trend line. Then the second one, I'll just definitely clone and just trade. So yeah, this was one of the that is one of the the subscribers that I have on the channel. So yeah, then it went like that. Okay, so it means now it is actually breaking through from this, yabo. It has actually broken through. It could be ukuthi ifuna uqala another, it has breaking through. So isifuna uqala another what? Another trend. So basically manje ngizonitshengisa ukuthi what can we expect right now. As you can see ukuthi kusukela la to here, it's actually a resistance eyenzakalayo. So it could be ukuthi from here it's gonna go like this, yabo, and probably around here ibe nelo ne supports and then goes up, or like that, and end up coming up here. So there is a possibility right there. Let me just rearrange my support and resistance. So let me just do that trend line. So let me do that again. I'm just gonna change the color because I can't have two reds. Maybe lena ngizoyenza black just for the sake ukuthi ngisheshe ngibone ukuthi okay, this is another line. So you should expect anything from the markets. Anything. You should expect anything from the markets. Yeah, well, so let's just say here, ngivule nje kanje. Yeah. So I'm expecting this to go like this. Yabo? And then pull back and go up like this. Yabo? So nje kulula kanjalo ukuthi ukwazi ukuset up. That's like the most easiest way to do ama setup. Then from a 4 hour, then from a 4 hour perspective, you know ukuthi okay, yabo manje during this time for the whole week, I know ukuthi it's gonna be going this way. For the whole of this week, it's gonna going this way. So the only thing nje mina I'm prepared is to just sell anything nje, even if I'm at events, I'm just like on like some selling. I'm selling kakhulu. So yeah, guys, I think that's about it. Then you understand what's okay, this is what and this is what. Logo blue, this blue line is called horizontal lines. This blue line, horizontal lines, these are trend lines. Nalaw. I made those ones red-ish because bekufanele ngikunikeze I'm just giving you ukuthi okay, this is the bigger picture from a day perspective, like for a 1 day perspective. Here logo ogu black, the trend line, that is just for the 4 hour time frame perspective. Ukuthi okay, I'm expecting ukuthi the markets to go in this direction. So guys, I hope niyayithola le nto yabo. It's very easy. It's very easy. I would advise ukuthi ma trade usebenzise i-4 hour charts, because you know i-4 hour charts as much as it takes time, you know, ukuthi it materialize to that direction that you always wanted it to go, but it's much more safer, yabo, because you have a bigger picture ukuthi what are you doing with your tradings, what are you doing with your entries. And nje it's pretty much easy, it's flexible. Yabo nje umuntu osebenzayo, like o-trader mhlawumbe uyasebenza, uyaspana, yabo, mawuspana awunaso isikhathi uhleli kwimakethe nje most of the time, yabo, uhleli nje kwimakethe, yabo, phela you have to do other things, yabo. So I would really advise ukuthi to go for a 4 hour chart, and you know, analyze on Sunday, Monday you wake up and you do your entries. Phela nje into oyenzayo on your tea time noma ngebreak, uma ukuthi like you are at work, you are just monitoring, yabo nje, opening your meta trade and you just checking ukuthi is it going on my direction, yabo, or should I take profits, yabo, just like that, guys, just like that. So nje I'm super excited about this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you put that thumbs up, that like, comment, and then if unama questions ofuna ukwabuza, make sure you get me on with Telegram. Yabo, Telegram nje ngumlindo Telegram. So yeah, then check it out there, and then you can ask me as many questions as you want. For free, guys, for free. This is just for me, for free. You're not paying anything. So nje, just make sure ukuthi you subscribe and like and comment, that's all. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Peace.